Right, we are here for a Robin Reliant. Sorry, a Reliant Robin. That's me struck off from the Reliant Club. Right, down here somewhere in the undergrowth there is an old Reliant supervan, and we are going to rescue it from the undergrowth. There it is. Can you see it? And there we are. This is a 1975 Robin supervan. The chassis doesn't look too bad at first glance. I know you can't see it there. There's a hole number there. We got the A-frame on there. Steering box. I've been told that the steering column and the steering wheel is in a pile here somewhere as well. That engine doesn't look too bad. We might actually be able to start that. Not today. Today's mission is just freeing this from the undergrowth. Oop. Look at that. Little grasshopper in there. Sorry, dude. And he's now on the chassis. Fuel tank is there, looking rusty and crusty. Axle. Those axle tops look rotten. So I wonder how much of this is actually savable. Right then. Now apparently it was driven to this point about 10 years ago. The fiberglass body was taken off and chopped up, and I think this was meant to be a trike project, which never happened. Right. First thing to do is cut all these thingies down, and then we'll see if we can pull it out. If not, there's a tractor behind me, and we can use the tractor to drag it out, but be careful not to bend that chassis. Right, we've decided that we're not going to cut the grass around it. We are going to use this lovely little thing, and we are going to get some chains on it and lift the chassis out of the bush. Right, he's going to swing around the other side of it. Right, so we're putting the chains on it now. So this little thing here, what have we got? Battery charge, speedo, water temperature, oil temperature. This down here turns the hydraulics to the front. 2-stage clutch. That's the full stop. I don't know what those levers there do. Brake and accelerator. That's a diff lock. And then we've got this here for raising and lowering the boom. That was fun.
Build a Mad Max trike, come here. Go get me a tyre, we drive it home.
Yeah.
Right, this chassis is going to drop now when I cut this one. Yeah, let's go. Roll it. Roll it. That's one off now. I haven't got the strength in my back.
And it's not split off there yet.
Now it is. Oh, there goes your fan blade.
Ready?
Hang on, rest it. Right. Cool, there's an engine out. Phase 2 complete. Where's the hammer?
Come on, out do pen.
The skull's out.
Pinched him there, yes.
Right. So the only thing left on this now is those bolts down there.
Having fun.
Yeah, it is.
With it.
Yeah. Okay. Got it. Nope.
That should come away now. Oh, wait. That's it, stripped down. That was easier than I was expecting. A lot of that come off quite nice with the old buzz gun. Next job now is to tidy up any of the bits we cut off, chuck some of the knackered bits on the scrap pile, and then carry all this lot to the back of my car. And this, it's going to go on the roof rack.
I got it, Steve.
Done. Don't put it in the car yet.
Oh, they stay quite cold, to tell you the truth. Hold that for me, Steve.
Right, we've already taken the engine and box home. That's already on my driveway. We've just put the chassis in the back of the bongo. I'm not allowed to film over there, so I'll show you the chassis on the driveway when we get back. Right, let's hit the road.
Well, it's in the van. Kind of fits.
Right, and here it all is on my driveway. We've got a door as well. Nearly a whole car. So let's have a look at the oil. Oh, if I can get that out. There's oil in there, looks alright. Right, that carburetor has seen better days, and I wouldn't mind betting that those tops of those cylinders are full of water. But we'll crack that open and have a look one day. There's the axle. Now, I only wanted that so I can get the ant roll in. I don't know if this is the same distance as an ant or if I still need to get new leaf springs. It won't be permanent, it's just so I can roll it. And there is the chassis. So, looking quite sorry for itself. So, there we are. Another adventure in the bag. Now, you're probably wondering why I've had this. It was free, and if I didn't come and get it, it was going to the scrapyard. It's a 1975 super van. So, you never know. It might be savable. So, that's it for now, guys. Take it easy. Cheers.